guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating creamy spaghetti with spam. It looks amazing, guys. I did show you the cooking part in the video in the segment before this, and I made it with my own fair hands, and I'm really excited to eat this. And also I have some these are tofu sausages, and the vegetarians, I'm really curious about those. So the video today, I'm going to do half mukbang because you said you like the mukbang, and then I will finish up with the ASMR. So let's get into the food. First of all, I am going to, I've got a hair. I'm going to open up my drink, my Fanta. Yum. And I'm going to get started because I am so hungry. I've had a day today. I haven't eaten all day. I know quite a few mukbangers say I haven't eaten all day, but seriously guys, I've not eaten all day. My hair's getting stuck in my rings. I've had my nails done today as well, and I want to show you guys. Sort out my rings. So I've gone for a really nice kind of a grey, bright, not brown, it's not brown at all, but it has a kind of caramel tone to it. Really like my nails today. Really like them. And do you know what? Not getting really long acrylics is a blessing because it doesn't take half as long to do my nails. So let's go. Let's get into it. I'm sorry. God. Oh my God, yes. Yum. Let's go for it. Oh my God. This is incredible. Ooh. Guys, this is amazing. So creamy. So delicious, guys. I should really mix it around now. I am so hungry, and the pasta is so creamy. Can you see? So I'm eating spam in a sophisticated way today because so many people, have said to me, how could you eat a massive big spam block like that? It's like so easy though. It's so easy. It's actually really fun to eat it like that. I love Fanta. So let's try these sausages. Oh, they're very hot. I have mayo. Oh my God, they're so hot. Falling apart. No. Let's try one. Very smoky. Good. But guys, I've been going through it. I know I keep saying this, but I honestly don't know what's happening to me. I'm finding, daily tasks really difficult to do. I'm just struggling with it. Really badly struggling. So I'm going to go back on my antidepressants, guys, because I got off them for a while, but I'm going to see what difference it makes, because I'm really struggling. And it's not fun, guys. But, you know, mental illness is not fun. And when you feel so out of it that you can't even do a normal daily task, you know, that it's an actual chore. And my anxiety with daily stupid mundane stuff that normal people would take for granted. It's awful. And it's been scaring me, actually, you know, my mental health, because I've been okay for a long time. You know, struggling but being okay, but just all of a sudden things have just come to a head, and I know for a fact I can get myself back to what I used to, you know, to some sort of, you know, control. But I am seeking help. In fact, tomorrow I have an appointment. So there's no need to worry about me, guys. But I use this platform as like my diary, so, you know, I just wanted to let you know how I'm feeling. Like, my hunger is just completely gone. I haven't eaten all day. Now I'm hungry, but I wasn't when I walked in through the door today. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And, you know, I didn't get hungry. I just felt okay. And that's worrying, because I normally, you know, eat. You know, I eat normally. But what can I do? This Spam is incredible, guys. So good. So guys, I'm done. Thank you for watching my mukbang / ASMR. I hope you enjoyed this amazing food. It's so incredible, guys. I hope you saw it. I have eaten so much, I'm stuffed. Thank you for always being there for me and, you know, understanding me, and I'm sure I'll get through this horrible, horrible patch with your help and love. So, thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.